Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I wanted to discuss or give you some downloads in relation to your relationship with money. So in the last video I talked about some key things that hold you back from having a great relationship with money, and they are worry. When you worry about money, you believe in insufficiency, you believe that there is a limited supply. The other one is guilt. If you have your abundance, then other people are going to be missing out, and that is a misconception, because there is more than enough for everybody. And then the third thing is resentment towards money. So resentment is your subconscious mind's most powerful tool to keep you safe. And so if you're resenting money, then you're going to make sure that that money doesn't come anywhere near you. So what we're going to do is give you some downloads now. So the first thing that we want to do is give you the highest perspective on money, on what money really is. So give you creator's perspective on money, and that your perspective is the same as the creator's perspective. And knowing how to allow yourself to be comfortable with money, knowing what it feels like to have more than enough money, knowing that it's safe for you to have money, and that you can have plenty of money and still have love, joy, and happiness in your life, that it's safe and possible to have all of those at the same time. And then we're going to teach you how to live without worrying about money, that it's safe to let go of worry about money, teach you how to live without needing to worry about money or the addiction to worry about money, and teach you what it feels like to let go of guilt around money, teach you that it's safe and possible for you to live without guilt around money, and that you know who you are without guilt around money. And then we're going to teach you what it feels like to live without resenting money, that it's safe for you to live without resenting money, and who you are without resenting money. And then we're going to teach you what it feels like to have a healthy relationship with money, that it's safe for you to have a healthy relationship with money, that you know what it feels like to be comfortable with money, and that you allow money into your life, and that you know how to allow yourself to receive, accept, and keep money, that you know how to save money, and that you allow yourself to save money, and that you know how to use your money wisely, that you respect your money, that you appreciate your money, and that you allow your money to work for you and allow your money to grow, and that it's safe and possible for your money to grow exponentially. So if you'd like those downloads, just say yes, and we can download them for you now. Cool. So thank you for your time. I really appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video. I know those downloads will make a difference for you in your life right now. And if you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it with your friends, people that you know can benefit from this, and everybody can benefit from this. But I look forward to spending time with you all very soon, and thank you for watching this video.